Okay guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial simply we will learn how to change this constant value, and anything value you can change it easily, just like that. You will come back in your property like that methods, and you will simply delete this. Okay, then just define this another name like that, and just I simply copy this here. Okay, just name, that's it, and you will show that automatically changes to name here, and you will show that magically, and just another copy and paste it, and you will show that here is come like that. You will show that like the 3 times my name showing this. Okay, so just I simply delete this another like that name. Okay, so don't need to delete, just simply call this here, this dot name property, and equal, and what type of value you can change it easily like that. That's it, and I think this is the Abdul, and it will be changed, this name will be changed like that, Abdul. Okay, so that's it, and simply click this here, click this. Okay, this is the magically changing of the constant value. Okay, so this is so that's it in this tutorial, and I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial, and this is the simply way. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next tutorial.